I'd like to start a business. What do I need to do?
Well, really we should focus on a couple of things to start out with. The first thing we need to do is we have to pick out what type of corporate entity you would like to have. There are a number of options available to you. The simplest is a sole proprietorship. That's where you just own the stuff yourself, but you don't really have any protection for your personal assets if something happens. You could go with what's called a limited liability partnership. That is run, you and somebody else, you could run that business, you own it essentially as your own with some protection for your personal assets. With your kind of business, however, I would recommend that we have what's called a limited liability company. We can register that with the state of Wisconsin, or we can draft your operating agreement. We should also get you a federal ID number at that point in time for tax purposes. We also, as I said before, will need to make sure that you have a business plan put in place and make sure you have the proper insurance. And finally, we should talk to an accountant to make sure that your books are set up properly.